How can you faster your digital marketing jobs or digital marketing works? So let me give you a real life example as I'm working on it. So my clients recently gave me a Excel file, let's say Google Docs, that he wants to create a short of every product. As you can see, these are cosmetics products, and uh, he wants to share every product's YouTube video shorts or Facebook shorts. And I have a task to create a script that is 20 to 30 seconds or maximum 40 seconds script. So how can I manage a script that is um, uh, comparatively well to my competitor? So just take an example. So let me copy the product name and go to Facebook, just how I do my work. So you will see that. So here is the Facebook. So and search, I will search with the product, and yes, you will see there's a bunch of Facebook pages are using this product, selling this product from their pages. So you can see they write something. So write something how this is made in Korea, the product name and some of the benefits. And this page gives some long informations. So you need to find the long information, or you need to find the information that is related to the product. Actually, these the pages that are already running. So you will see that. Okay, just I will show you how can you use it. So let's copy some products details information from this. So this I like that information. Okay. Don't read this. As you know, they are already selling this product, and these 50K followers that they are already selling this product. And as you can see, they have 22 shares, 4 comments. Already they sell 5 or 7 products. I assume that as if you are a digital marketer, you already know. So just copy their content and use it in the chat GPT. Okay. And also find some other pages to see there what they write about this product. So I also copy something like that. How the use of ChatGPT is very simple. The more proficient your prompt is, the more you get the output. Okay. I will give some information from that also. Now enough of the information, and now just input a prompt. So my prompt is like, okay, just write your prompt right there. I want a script of shorts video for the product. I want the tone is speaking. So why I prefer the speaking tone? Let's assume that I am selling this mobile phone. So if I show the product to the audience, I will generally speaking like that. So that means this phone has three cameras, this camera is doing something and this camera is doing something well, and it has like 20 megapixel or anything, this phone has right white. So I am just talking casually and I don't have script, and I assume that I am amateur, and I this talking way is the trusted for the people, so people will trust that you are generally know this product, use this product, and you talk from your experience, using experience. Okay, so I want the tone is speaking and uh, casual talking, and showing the audience that I used and experienced it. Okay, so we will further improve the content. Let me just show you that the what the actual result is. So the result is shown that how I can use the real talk. So you have got the oily acne prone skin like me, you need to hear about this. This is the something my new skin BFF. Okay, so you get the real product, and here they got the information that you provide, that this product has salicylic acid, this product has tea oil, this product also is a game changer. So this is the trigger point that people will love. So that's how you make a content to connect the audience, and our conversation is ended. So this is a very short video, it will shorts within 30 seconds. So they are also talking that what I will show that this is the natural lighting or setup, and then product closer product, we will show this product, and using the cleanser in the face, and towel drying. So this is, and someone is smiling into the mirror and facing his face. Okay, so they also instruct us what to do behind the camera or in the camera, and everything. So just this is us product. Okay, and if you want to more convincing that my um, is script should be more convincing or more real, then you can find. So how can you go to this? So search for this video. Okay, we already search for this product and search for the video, and take a very short content. Okay, if you have, so this one is 1 minute video. So just listen to every video or write this video. Okay, so you need to write the video. So what they talk about this video, you need to type everything, and then they will show you, they will so let me just give you an example. Let's say this is a very popular, this is a very popular pages, and they sell already, they say 1.1 k place. So that is a very popular page, we assume that, and this video script is very well performing. Okay, and I am just going to copy and paste all of their scripts, but I do not copy it in my shorts video. I will copy all of the scripts and share it to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to format, use their tone, use their structure to make my video or script more like that. So these will feel give you a feel of a real experience. Okay, if you doesn't know about these products, if you doesn't use it, then you can use these tricks to create a product, um, video or scripts or anything. So let me give you a real example. If I find something, so I will so go to post and see that if this product says really well anything information. Okay, this product doesn't have a real information is there. So this doesn't have real information as we are copied it from previously. We copied all of this information, so we don't have. So let's assume that this is the format, and I copy all of this information in the video that I want that my video will be like that, and my video should be like that. So let's assume that we already write exact script that the video is delivering. Okay, so paste all of this information and write a prompt that I want to um, update the script. I want to use the format. I want to use the format. Okay, I want to use the format, the tone, the structure, and emoji also. Okay, so now these will give you the exact information like this. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have any emojis here, so we have some emojis, and they use a casual information. Let me put you on to a skincare gem. This is the product, and if you are dealing with acne, only skin, or just want to smooth glow, this is for you. So that is the beauty of ChatGPT, and how you can faster your works like that. If you don't know about any product, just search it on Facebook or search in YouTube, and you can copy the information from Google also or any website also, and ask ChatGPT to do your script. But if you don't like the script natural or convincing to your audience, then you can boost up your uh, video script like that. Just copy one of the best video that you like, their script, and ask the chat gpt to write similar structure, similar pattern, similar tone, and structure everything. Okay, so they use also salicylic acid there, but this is a real a convincing way, and this is the way you can use that. So after rinsing, my skin feels so fresh, soft, and hydrated, no tired, striped feeling. So that is the experience. So that is the experience you see. So you didn't use this, but the chat gpt will ask you, give you the real gem after you use this trick. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this will help you very much. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like the video. Okay.